Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix OBS when it keeps disconnecting and reconnecting during your streams. This can be really frustrating when you're trying to go live, but fortunately there are several settings you can adjust to stabilize your connection. So let's jump right in. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it's open, look to the upper left corner of the screen and click on File. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open up the main configuration window where we'll be making most of our adjustments. In the Settings window, you'll see a left panel with various options. Click on Output to access the streaming and recording settings. Under the streaming section, navigate to video bitrate and click the text field right beside it. Set this value to 6,000 kilobits per second. This bitrate is optimal for most streaming platforms and helps prevent disconnection issues caused by unstable bandwidth. Next, navigate to Output mode and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Select Advanced from the options. This unlocks more detailed settings that give you better control over your streaming performance. Now, under the Streaming tab, navigate to Video Encoder and click the drop-down menu right beside it. The encoder you choose here is crucial because it determines how your stream is processed. If you're using an NVIDIA GPU, select MVenc H.264 or MVenc AV1. If you're using an AMD GPU, select AMD HWH.264/AVC. And if you're using an Intel GPU, select QuickSync H.264. It's important to avoid X264 if your CPU struggles, as this can cause performance issues and contribute to disconnections. After that, click the Recording tab at the top of the output settings. Navigate to Video Encoder again and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Just like before, select NVenc H.264 or NVenc AV1 if you're using an NVIDIA GPU, AMD HWH.264/AVC if you're using an AMD GPU, or QuickSync H.264 if you're using an Intel GPU. This ensures both your streaming and recording use hardware acceleration, which reduces the load on your system. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Video, look for Base Canvas Resolution and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Then select 1920 x 1080. Below it, you'll see Output Scaled Resolution, so click the drop-down menu right beside it and select 1280 x 720. This reduces the strain on your system while maintaining good quality for your viewers. To further optimize performance, reduce the frame rate by navigating to common FPS values and clicking the drop-down menu right beside it. Select 30 from the options. A lower frame rate uses less bandwidth and processing power, which helps maintain a stable connection. Next, in the left panel, click on Advanced. Scroll down until you find the Network section. Make sure your bind to IP is set to default. If it's not, click the drop-down menu and select Default. Below it, check the box beside Dynamically Change Bitrate to manage congestion beta. This feature automatically adjusts your bitrate when your connection becomes unstable, helping prevent disconnections. In the bottom right corner, click Apply, then click OK to save all your changes. Give your system a moment to process these new settings. Now, let's make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. In the bottom left of your screen, click the Start button, then type Device Manager and click it from the search results. In the Device Manager window, double-click on Display Adapters to expand the list. Right-click on your graphics card, then select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers and let Windows find and install any available updates. Outdated drivers can often cause streaming issues, so this step is important. Finally, close your OBS application completely, then open it again. This restart ensures all your new settings are properly loaded and active. By following these steps, you've optimized your OBS settings to prevent disconnections and create a more stable streaming experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.